And we are back for another episode of John's take on random product and technology made here in China. This video is gonna be quick and short, so stick around. So today we're gonna be talking about TickTalk. So the founder of this company is a couple from Shanghai and then rebranded it to TickTalk for American users. It's a smartwatch that kids would love and a peace of mind to parents like us, if you know what I mean. So first things first, we all know that dilemma, right? As parents, handing out smartphones to your kids too early is a terrible idea. It's a digital jungle out there. So this next product promises to solve this dilemma. So the TickTalk 4 is not just a watch, it's a phone, a GPS tracker, and a whole lot more. It's like a Swiss Army knife for smartwatches. You can call your kid and they can call you. But here's the kicker, they can send voice messages and text messages to approved contact by parents. Worried about where your child is? Then this thing is also a GPS tracker. Talk about peace of mind, right? This next part is my child's favorite feature of this smartwatch. Apps. And not just any apps, these are apps that are educational and safe for kids. And if you don't agree with what the app is, you could just delete it through your own smartphone. So there are many smartwatches out there for kids that are in the market, but this is what we've been using and this is made in China. So my kids has been using this for more than 4 years now since my first child is in K3, and once they picked it up, it's super easy to learn. You don't need to teach them, and everything is controlled. Like so, as I've said, this is a child's dream tech and also parents' peace of mind. So this smartwatch is now available on Amazon and Shopee. Check the description for the links. So if you have the same smartwatch, did you agree with my assessment? If not, comment down below. And remember, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, we're trying to push out contents like this on a regular basis. So please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you on the next one.